Most people are terrified of being forgotten. They are so busy trying to stay relevant, checking notifications, and feeding the algorithm that they lose the one thing that actually matters themselves. If you feel stuck, if your current life is a reflection of expectations you never set for yourself, there's only one way out. You don't need a break. You need a total system reset. You need to disappear, refine your soul, and come back unrecognizable. Here are the 10 rules to execute the great disappearance. The 10 rules of rebirth. 1. The silence protocol. Stop announcing your intentions. Every time you tell someone your plan, your brain gets a dopamine hit as if you've already achieved it. Keep your goals in the dark. Silence is the ultimate competitive advantage. 2. Sever the anchor points. Your environment is a cage made of habits. Identify the people, locations, and routines that keep you performing the old you. You don't have to be cruel, but you must be clinical. If a connection keeps you stagnant, it is an anchor, not a support. Cut the chain. 3. The 5 a.m. sovereignty. The world is asleep, which means the world has no expectations of you. Use the hours between 5 a.m. and 8 a.m. to build your own kingdom. This is when you read, train, or work on your craft, before the noise of others dictates your focus. 4. Radical Decluttering. Look at your physical space. If you don't use it, or it doesn't inspire you, it is dead weight. A chaotic room reflects a chaotic mind. Clear the space, clear the static. 5. Master a high-value skill. Disappear into a basement or a library and emerge with a skill that makes you indispensable. Whether it's coding, music composition, or high-level communication, become a force that cannot be ignored by the sheer quality of your output. 6. The Stoic shield. Stop reacting to the opinions of others. You are not a spectator in your own life. When the world tries to provoke you, you remain unmoved. Let your results be the only thing that speak. 7. Physical transformation. You cannot become a new version of yourself inside a body you've neglected. Train with intensity. Change your physiology, and your psychology will follow. The unrecognizable version of you should carry itself with a different gravity. 8. Audit your media diet. If your feed is full of distractions, you are training your brain to be reactive. Follow only those who challenge your intellect or push your discipline. If it doesn't provide value or wisdom, unfollow it. 9. The lone wolf mentality. You must be comfortable with your own company. Most people are terrified of being alone because they are afraid of what they might hear in silence. Find peace in the solitude. That is where your authentic voice is hiding. 10. The return with purpose. You do not return to explain your absence. You return when your transformation is finished and your work is undeniable. You don't need a comeback tour. You simply need to exist at a higher frequency. You don't need the world's permission to start over. You just need the discipline to vanish long enough to build something worth enough seeing. The world doesn't care about your potential. It only cares about your output. So disappear, build, emerge, stay focused, stay disciplined.